Greetings brothers and sisters, I am 𝐤𝐤𝐤, founder of Eat to Live Not to Die. The video you're about to watch is going to add major value to your health and well-being. In today's video, I will be showing you how to cook alkaline food in a hotel using the world's most finesse cookware. Greetings brothers and sisters, my name is 𝐤𝐤𝐤 and today we are going to show you how to prepare an alkaline meal using one pot, the saladmaster. And we're going to get our ingredients from Tesco today. Very simple, very easy, anyone can do it. We're going to show you the magic of the saladmaster. We're going to start off with the mushrooms. We're getting the oyster mushrooms. Cherry tomatoes, 90p. I get some bell peppers. We're gonna get some spring onions. Okay. So oil-wise, we're gonna get some coconut oil. Okay. Seasonings-wise, we're going to get the sage. We're gonna get the thyme. We're gonna get the sea salt. We're also gonna get the cayenne, and we're gonna get the onion powder and basil as well. We're also gonna need some water, probably about 2 of these. So grains wise, we are gonna get some quinoa. Yeah. So everything came up to £19.86. Brilliant. Okay, so guys, me and Mutulu are actually in a hotel and we're gonna prepare the food here. It's gonna be amazing. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wash the quinoa. I'm gonna pour it out. So you wanna wash your quinoa 3 times if you can. So now we're gonna put the controller into the saladmaster. So this is what controls the temperature and the timing if you wanna time your meal. So you press the temperature button and then you press up to control the temperature. So it's at 80 Celsius now. 90, 95, 100. What temperature do you think we should cook this quinoa at today?
So in the beginning, we're going to cook this on 85, just to accelerate the heat. And then we'll check on it in about, say, 7 minutes. And then bring down the heat to maybe 70.
Now we're going to add 200 ml of water to the 300 grams of quinoa. So you make sure you get all your little grains on the side inside of the water. If we wanted the saladmaster to switch off in 15 minutes, we can time it. So you would press the time button here and then press up. It's 2 minutes, that's 3 minutes, that's 4 minutes. So now we're gonna season the quinoa. So we put half a teaspoon of sea salt,
a tablespoon of thyme, a teaspoon of sage. It helps to bring out the flavor in the quinoa. And then once it's cooked, we'll add a bit of coconut oil. Okay,
it's looking a bit wild right now, but we've done this for a good reason. We knew that we wouldn't be able to eat anything here. We quickly went to Tesco, got a couple of stuff, and we're just working with what we got. Well, we rolled with the saladmaster. Do you get what I'm saying? So we're proving to you that with the power of the saladmaster and the mind, anything is possible. Okay, so now we need to chop up these spring onions. We're using the knife that the hotel has provided. Whatever knife you can get, even if you can get a plastic knife. I don't expect you to get a chopping board. We've just got the lid of a container here. You know, we're making do with what we have. It looks a bit primitive, I know, but the taste...
It's actually going to bring the taste out because we're chopping it really fine. So we're getting the juices and everything. So this is good.
It's about patience, brothers and sisters. It's about patience. The patient man and the patient woman is always rewarded. So now we're gonna add those spring onions to the quinoa. This is our all seasoning. So if you have this, you can use this, okay? About a tablespoon of this. We're gonna be doing a quinoa stir fry with mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, spring onions, bell peppers, and all of these seasonings are also gonna go in it. I think when the quinoa is finished, we're gonna convert it into this container here so that we can do the mushrooms in here. And I don't think we're even going to wash this. I think we're gonna slap the mushrooms straight into this once the quinoa is done. The saladmaster is the world's smallest oven. You have to understand this. You can bake in this, boil your herbs in this. You can make a soup with this. This is one of the most versatile pieces of cookware on the planet Earth. You know when people break their bones and they have to leave pieces of metal in their bodies forever? This is the metal that they use. This is titanium steel, one of the most expensive materials that you could possess right now. A mere screw made from titanium can cost up to 400 to 500 pounds, a screw. Now imagine this whole thing has been crafted and forged with this metal. It's not gonna allow any toxins to seep through into your food. No, not like the non-sticks and the cast iron. And this noise here is very important. It's letting you know that it's time to turn it down. It's too hot. Now we're chopping down the bell peppers. Now we're gonna chop down the cherry tomatoes. So now we're gonna chop down the mushrooms. Now that everything's been chopped down, we're now gonna season everything. First, onion powder. Now we're gonna put thyme, cayenne pepper, basil. Now we're gonna put some sage. So we haven't added sea salt to this because we've already put sea salt into the quinoa. So if we taste the food after this has been prepared and it needs more salt, then we will add some more. You wash your hands and then get in there. Start mixing it all up. Look at that. Mushrooms is your meat replacement. Don't forget that. Oyster mushrooms, one of my favorite. This is an incredible machine. I use this machine every single day. The material doesn't seep out toxins. It's keeping all of the flavor. It's distributing the heat evenly throughout your whole meal. We're only gonna use the coconut oil to drizzle on top of our food when it is cooked. Now with the quinoa, make sure you check on it every 7 minutes. When you open the lid, you are allowing the steam to come out and you're prolonging the amount of time it takes to cook the quinoa. So leave it on for about 7 minutes and then check on it again. Now the quinoa is finally cooked. We are going to add the coconut oil now. We're gonna transfer the quinoa from this into this. And then we're gonna put this back into the saladmaster. Now we're doing the mushrooms. We're gonna put a bit of water inside. I'm not using no oil, okay? Remember we seasoned up our mushrooms with the onions and the bell peppers. And we're gonna turn it all the way up to, let's say, 120. Now that the mushrooms are cooked, we're gonna throw in the quinoa now. And that is the meal, brothers and sisters. Very simple, very easy. Alkaline stir fry, made in the saladmaster. All this food using less than 20 pounds of ingredients. And this will serve 3 people, normal.
So come on, give us your review, flavors and all.
perfect. If you're serious about alkalinity, this would be nothing for you to do. It takes time, discipline, patience, love for self, but it can be done by anybody. Your health is the most important thing in this world. Your shoes are replaceable, your jacket is replaceable, your bag, your clothes, your car, your house, but your body is not replaceable. So do your best with what you have and do your best with what you know. If you would like to know how you can get one of these in your kitchen today, give us a call on 0203 633 8865. And remember, it is never too late to give yourself the gift of health.